Hello, this is Calvin's. Today I want to show you how you are able to promote your students to the next level. So first things first, we are going to log in into our system. So you put in your password and then username as well. So admin12. Then you click login. Okay, now this is the dashboard. This is the system dashboard. I believe you have watched the video on how to use this particular system. If you have not watched the video, you can go straight to my channel. Here it is, so that you're able to watch this video here, exam analysis system with the SMS service. Okay, so today I'm just going to show you how you are able to upgrade the students to the next levels or next classes. So before you promote your students, you need to upgrade the streams. If at all your school is having streams, so you will be able to come here, upgrade streams, then clicking on that button, you will be presented with this particular window, this small window here. So you want to promote or to upgrade all your streams in Form 1, then you will upgrade all your streams Form 2 and upgrade the streams in Form 3. So you will have, for example, I have here some various streams in this school. So you'll have Form 1H, you want to upgrade it to Form 2H. So you upgrade them in such a manner that when you have a stream in the previous class, that stream should be the one that should appear. So now you have Form 1H, you upgrade it to Form 2H. Then you click upgrade. So we wait for some. Okay, the process now complete. So we'll move to Form 1V. We want to upgrade from 1V to Form 2V so that those students who are in Form 1V, they will now move to Form 2V. Then we upgrade that one as well, upgrade all of them. Okay, this is complete. Like this school has got those two streams in Form 1, Form 1H and Form 1V, and I've already upgraded both. So we move to Form 2. Form 2, now we are going to upgrade Form 2H. We upgrade it to Form 3H. Then we click that button, upgrade. The streams are not going to be vacant. Those classrooms will have students. So we go to Form 3. The Form 3, we will have Form 3H. We are going to promote Form 3H to Form 4H. Form 3H to Form 4H. Okay. So this school seemingly Form 3, there is no more than one stream. It's only one stream in Form 3, which is Form 3H. So we are going to promote Form 3H to Form 4H. So that is all. That is all about upgrading the streams. So after upgrading of the streams, you will now come here to promote students, where you will now have just to answer this question from this dialog box. Are you sure you wish to promote students to the next class? Yes, so that is very, very necessary. So as we wait, all the students are going to be promoted to their next classes, and the streams are going to be the same stream that they were in the previous classes. If it is blue, then it will remain blue. If it is from 2H, it will remain from 2H or from 3H. If it's from 1V, then now the student is going to be from 2V. So that is the process that is now going on and is now complete. So when that is complete, all students are promoted to the next class. As you're able to see, you will say, okay. So colleagues, that's how you promote your students to the next classes. That is all about today's video. If you have any query, kindly feel free to contact me through my email. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Meet you next time. God bless you.